Okay, so everybody be looking at number 7. And remember we talking about order of operations. Okay, so your order of operations, you're gonna do everything in your grouping symbols, which are these symbols. You're looking for those type symbols right there. And everybody's normally in order, because you're gonna look for what's in parentheses, what's in the bracket. The bracket should be next, and then the braces. Okay? So that's what you're looking for when you do order of operations. Then you look for exponents, but we know on this worksheet right here, we don't have any exponents. We already looked at it. Then you're gonna look for multiplication or division, left to right, addition or subtraction, left to right. So let's look at this first one. So number 7, we got 10 times 2 plus the sum of 7 and 4. So we first looking for this symbol right here, and we do got some parentheses here. Now you only got one operation here, which is addition. And remember I told you your operations, not order of operations, but operations are addition, subtraction, division, and multiplication. Those are your operations. So you hear me say that word all the time. So the only thing that asks us doing here is just add. Okay? So if I add 7 plus 4, that's 11. Now, because I already worked out the problem, there's nothing else to work out, I can mark out the 7 plus the 4. When do I know when I can mark out the parentheses?
When there's no number in front or back.
That's right, there's no number behind it right here, and there's no number in front, it's a plus sign. So I can mark out the parentheses. So, remember I told you, after you mark out everything, bring down what you did not mark out. That's the most important step. You want to keep it in order. So I'm going to start this from the beginning. I'm going to bring down the 10, this times, this 2, and that plus sign, and put my equal in front. So now I'm going to stay on my first step, because I want to make sure at this point, do I have any more parentheses, brackets, or braces? I don't. We already said we don't have any exponents on these problems, so we got to worry about exponents. But now we're looking for multiplication or division. So it's whichever one comes first. So if I just look across from left to right, I see I come to multiplication first. So I got to multiply this 10 times 2. So I know 10 times 2 is 20. So I'm going to mark out that 10, that times, and that 2, and I'm going to bring down my plus 11. Now everybody, when you only got one operation left, my only operation left is this plus sign. When it's just one operation left, you don't really have to look over here anymore. You're done with the problem. So all I need to do is just add 20 plus 11, which is 31. Now, again, I told you all, you don't have no way of checking this. The only way you can check this is just go back and look at your steps and make sure you wrote everything out. That's it. Okay, so let's look at one more. Let's look at number 8. Okay, so number 8, I got 16 plus 3 plus 10 times 5. So again, you gotta do is in parentheses, brackets, braces. We said we don't have no exponents, but still, I gotta think about that. Multiplication or division, left to right. Addition or subtraction, left to right. Okay? So in this problem, I do got parentheses. I got this 16 plus 3 in parentheses. So I know 16 plus 3 is 19. And since that's the only thing in there, I can mark out the 16 plus the 3. Now, again, we don't have a number in front of the parentheses, and we have a plus sign after. So since there's no number in front or behind it, we can mark out the parentheses. It's gone. So now everything I didn't mark out, I'm going to bring it down. So I'm going to bring down my plus, my 10, my times, and my 5. So go back to your order of operation. We already said we have no exponents. Now, at this point, we look for multiplication or division. So right here, if I look across, I see multiplication first. I see multiplication. You skip over this right here. We're not at addition. We look at only for multiplication or division. I see it. So now I gotta multiply 10 times 5, and it's 50. So I'm gonna mark out my 10s, my time, and my 5. And bring down what's left. Now, it's only how many operations is left? How many operations is left?
19 plus 50.
Oh, 19 plus 50.
Operations. What are your operations?
Plus.
Plus, minus, subtraction. Plus, subtraction, addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. The only operation is addition. So all I need to do, I don't have to look over here anymore, I only have one left. So all I need to do is add those two numbers. So I got 19 plus 50 is 69. And again, if you don't know like off the top of your head, stack it up. Stack it up by place value. I know 9 plus 0 is 9, 5 plus 1 is 6. So I got 69 as my final answer. Again, you don't have no way of checking this. The only way you can check this is go back and look through your steps and just make sure that you wrote all your steps correctly. So everybody got that?
Yes.